Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego barbecue stand. You'll need one 4x6 flat piece. You'll need two 2x6 flat pieces. And you'll need two 1x4 flats. And you'll need a 1x4 with holes in the front. And you'll need four 1x1 flat circle piece, and you'll need four as well for 1x1 flat circle piece, just has flat on the top, and you'll need two 2x4 flats, and you'll need two 1x2 piece, and you'll need four 2x4 pieces, and you'll need these grill pieces that we'll do later on. First, we'll get this piece and add the circle pieces that are not the ones with the flat on the top, on the bottom in each corner of the 4x6 piece. You'll flip it over, and then you'll need three of the 2x4 piece, and you'll stick them on top like this. Next, you'll need both of the 2x6 piece, and you'll need to get them like right about here. Next, you get the 2x4s, both of them, and you'll add them right here. Next, you want to get the last 2x4 piece, add it here. Get this one with the whole piece, put it in the front, and you'll add the 1x2 pieces in the middle. Take that off so it's easier if you want to put them on. And then you'll add the 1x1 circle flats, and you'll stick them like this on the piece. Next, you will add the grill pieces and use it from this end to this end. Do not use it at the edge of the front and the back. Last but not least, you want to get the 1x4 flats and then stick them right here. That's all. That's how you make a Lego barbecue stand.